hi there. I was trying to read this map, but this interior lights on the 4Runner is very dim. It's really hard to read in the dark. So I'm going to upgrade these interior lights to newer LED lights, which is much more brighter than this. So let me show you how I do that. Alright, for this install, this is all I'm going to use. So I have Yorkim 31mm LED bulbs. So these are used for the cargo lights and one light on the roof. And these are 194 T10 bulbs. These are the bulbs used for all the map lights and door lights, and for most of the stuff. This is what I'm going to use. And I would need a trim removal tool to remove some of the lights, or most of the lights. And then this plier that helps me to remove the stock halogen bulbs, and then it allows me to insert the LED bulbs. So let's get into the install one by one. Okay, first I'm going to remove this map lights. I'm going to use this plastic trim removal tool and just pop this plastic piece like this. The other side is gonna be the same. Just pop it like this. So I'm going to remove this bulb first. Just comes off easily like this. Get one of your LED bulbs and insert it into the same location. Just push it up. Goes like that. Now get your lens, install it the same way you removed it. Same goes with the other lens. Goes like that easily. Alright, let's go to the headliner bulb next. So for the headliner bulb, we are going to use a 31mm LED bulb. So to remove this lens, we are going to use the trim removal tool between the lens and the lens frame. So insert the tool between the lens and the lens frame and push it down like this, and it will pop like that. So you can see these tabs. You can pop it like that. I'm going to use the pliers because these bulbs are gonna be hot, so I'm going to use the pliers. Then get your 31mm bulb and insert it. Alright, put the lens cover back. lot brighter. Alright, for the door lights, you're going to use the plastic trim removal tool on the side of the bulb. And remove like that, and then remove these two tabs, push it backwards so you can access the bulb. The bulb is going to be really hot, so be careful. And put the plastic cover on these tabs. Close like that. Insert in reverse order. Alright, for the cargo lights, I'm going to use the trim removal tool on the side of the lens like this. Push it down, and there are little tabs on the lens. Remove those tabs. Same on the other side. You can remove the lens, and you have the 31mm bulb here. Remove that. Get your 31mm LED bulb. Insert like that. Test the bulb. Put the lens cover back. Alright, the last one we are going to install are these mirror lights. the interior light upgrade is completed. I don't have to say anything. You can clearly see how much light I have inside my 4Runner right now. So hope this video helps you. So thank you for watching. See you next time.